In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and pay for an app in Monday.com. Let's dive right in and explore how you can efficiently set up applications to enhance your Monday.com experience. To get started, you need to visit the website Monday.com. Once you're on the homepage, locate the Login button and click on it. This will take you to the authentication page where you can log in. For a seamless experience, choose the option to log in with your Google account. If you have multiple Google accounts, make sure you select the one associated with your Monday.com account. Upon successful login, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page where you'll find the Marketplace icon. Clicking this icon leads you to the Marketplace, a vibrant hub filled with various apps designed to complement and expand the functionalities within your workspace. Here, you can browse through an extensive collection of apps tailored to suit different needs and preferences, making it easier to customize your workflow. After you've explored and found an app that piques your interest or suits your requirements, it's time to install it. Again, navigate to the top right and click on Installed. This action will guide you to a list of apps already installed within your workspace. Once you've accessed the installed apps list, find the View App option and click on it. This will take you to a detailed view of the app, showcasing its features and functionalities, giving you a better understanding of what the app can offer. In this section, if your app is on a trial period or if its trial has expired, you will also have the option to manage billing. This feature is crucial as it ensures that access to the app remains uninterrupted, allowing your team to benefit from its features without any hitches. You can handle your billing details and ensure everything is set for a smooth and continual use of the app. So there you have it, a straightforward guide to installing and managing app payments on Monday.com. Whether you're looking to enhance productivity with new tools or manage your existing ones, knowing how to navigate the marketplace and handle billing will ensure your Monday.com experience is as efficient and uninterrupted as possible. Thank you for watching and happy organizing on Monday.com.